Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
I honestly didn't think we'd ever see a tablet feel lighter than a phone, but here we are. The OPPO Pad Mini has an 8.8-inch display and weighs just 279 grams. The moment you pick it up, it feels insanely comfortable. Last time I felt this, something like the iPhone Air. Let's be real, Android tablets haven't had the best track record. Most felt underpowered or incomplete. Meanwhile, Apple's iPad mini is powerful but pricey, and that 60Hz display, still a letdown. That's exactly where the OPPO Pad Mini comes in. It hits that sweet spot.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
A lightweight mini tablet that actually makes sense. So what's it really like to use? First, the design. It's all about comfort. At 279 grams, you can hold it in one hand with zero strain. The grip feels secure, natural, no slipping. Add the smart case, and suddenly it feels like a mini laptop. The magnetic design, super satisfying. I've even started carrying it on business trips. It solves a real problem, something as light as a phone, but way more usable. Reading documents, way easier than squinting at your phone. If you travel a lot, this is a game changer. The color? Monet purple, and it looks gorgeous. You get a unibody metal build with a frosted finish. Feels premium, stays cool, barely picks up fingerprints, and it's just 5.3 millimeters thin. One thing might feel odd at first. The buttons are all on top. Power on the right, volume on the left. But there's a reason. OPPO moved them to make space for a side-mounted stylus. Once it's attached, it all makes sense. And yes, it supports the latest Pencil 3 Pro. Now you see OPPO's vision. With the notebook-style case and stylus setup, this isn't just a tablet. It's a portable notebook, perfect for quick notes anytime, anywhere. That's a big win. Now, the display. This is where things get serious. You get an 8.8-inch OLED soft light screen, 2.5K resolution, and a 144Hz refresh rate. Honestly, if no one told you, you'd think this was a high-end pro tablet. I'm using the soft light version, and it's great on the eyes. The 3:2 aspect ratio? Super practical. You see more content when reading or scrolling. Even split screen works beautifully. The bezels are insanely slim, just 2.99 millimeters. That means a more immersive experience, whether you're watching movies or browsing. For this price, that's rare. Lately, I've been using it non-stop for shows, videos, everything. It sits perfectly between a phone and a full tablet. That balance, it just works. And since it feels like a notebook, note-taking feels natural. The Pencil 3 Pro snaps on magnetically and charges instantly. Tap it and a tool wheel pops up. Smart, responsive, smooth. Everything feels polished. Here's where it gets interesting. Press and hold and you unlock free selection. Sounds simple, but it's powerful. Say you're looking at a data table in a PDF. Instead of typing everything manually, just select it. Done. You can even turn it into a chart in seconds. That's the kind of feature you don't realize you need until you use it. One of the coolest things about the OPPO Pad Mini is the way it handles data. You can grab a table and turn it editable instantly, right on screen. Need to change a value from 2 to 3? Done in seconds. You can even write directly into it using the Math Pen. And yeah, it's weirdly fun. I'll come back to that. Once you're done, saving is seamless. It even converts tables into line or bar charts automatically. Want to tweak colors or formulas? Go for it. And exporting? Just a tap with multiple formats ready. What really hits you is the speed. From selecting a table to editing, customizing, exporting, it all happens in under a minute. No lag, no friction. It just flows, and that makes a huge difference. Now, here's something unexpected. AI Temple Fare. I hadn't seen anything like this before. You sketch something simple and it turns into a realistic image, like shockingly real. You get different styles, can zoom in, check every detail. The quality, honestly, close to pro-level design work. Imagine planning furniture or room ideas. You might not even need a designer. Just use the Pencil 3 Pro, switch styles, add prompts, and watch your idea come alive. The control here feels like paid software. Speaking of the Pencil 3 Pro, it has some smart extras too. There's a ringtone search feature, so you can actually find it. Super useful. You also get 4 writing modes, and the feel very close to real paper. There's even subtle sound feedback while writing. That soft, scratchy sound, oddly relaxing, almost like white noise. Another big plus, how well it works with your computer. The integration is smooth, no weird limitations. It feels like a portable workstation. Even on an 8.8-inch screen, you can jump into quick video edits anytime. There's more to explore, but honestly, this is something you need to try yourself to fully get. Now, performance. This thing is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, so yeah, it's fast. Pair that with a 144Hz refresh rate and everything feels super smooth. Gaming? Solid. In games like PUBG Mobile, you get high frame rates and better graphics. And thanks to the bigger screen and better cooling, it feels like a real upgrade. You're basically getting gaming phone power with a wider tablet view without the heat or bulk. That combo? Smart move. Battery life doesn't disappoint either. Even with that slim body, you get an 8,000 mAh battery and 67-watt fast charging. That's a strong combo. Honestly, I've been hooked on this device. It feels like the mini tablet space is about to change. It nails design, display, flexibility, and performance. If you're thinking about a tablet, small or big, this one deserves your attention. You might be surprised how much you end up liking it.